13 of Billionaire Mindset Challenge, and I'm so much happy. Actually, I'm happy because I have got the message from Ganesh, the Think School owner. Remember this date, 22 April 2025. You have messaged with got the one of the biggest celebrity. So one is Ganesh and second one is Ansh. So I got the message. I'm so much excited because I never got that type of messages. So it sounds so much good. I mean, I think my manifestation is going real. 4 years. Going so good. Oh, so excited. I'm feeling proud of myself that I've messaged that day and I'm going to message more like. So the journey is going so great. I don't know how to be react on this, but I'm so happy and everything is going so good. I had a very great conversation with one of my let it will also go back me. But the day was quite good. I worked from 13. I completed almost all tasks. At least I tried to complete it. 3 tasks are the one that I am not able to complete. That is, one is meeting with one of my intern can be like should be with whom I'm planning a startup. I was not able to do a meeting because she was not well. Even though I tried to call him and message him, but she was not well. So we're gonna connect tomorrow. Second is I have to make an ID of bank, but I was not able to because of the bank problem again. I'm going to go tomorrow. And one is arrange my all bureaus at one place. Actually, there are so many bureaus, so I have to finalize which bureau I have to put and which I have to don't put. So I'm thinking I'll do, but I'm also thinking that I'll do it once I need because it will take a bit of time. So maybe. And from 13, almost every task is completed. Only 2 or 3 tasks are completed. Even I have tried arranging bureaus with one folder. Almost in one folder, I have almost downloaded the bureaus, but I just have to arrange them properly. So all bureaus are in the one place. I have to further remember things that I have to arrange properly. So when I'm going to do editing, I'm going to do that. I'm thinking like that in a manner. 13 टास्क में से सिर्फ एक टास्क ऐसा है जो मेरी तरफ से बचा हुआ है, बाकी आई हैव कंप्लीट 12. एंड आई वाज थिंकिंग कि मैं 5 बजे उठ के टाइम वेस्ट कर रही हूँ. एक्चुअली आज मैं सुबह जल्दी उठ के सो गई क्योंकि मुझे बहुत नींद आ रहा था, बट मेरे को लगा कि वो एनर्जेटिक रहेगा और एनर्जेटिक रहा भी. एक्चुअली आई वेक अप टुडे एट 6. इट्स क्वाइट लेट. 5 बजे नहीं उठ पाई मैं क्योंकि कल मैं 12 बजे सोई थी. But I got message from Ganesh. बीरो वाला टास्क कंप्लीट हो जाता. आधी घंटा मुझे गणेश से बात करने में लग गया, फिर आधे घंटा मुझे धवल को गणेश के बारे में बताने में लग गया. ना मेरा बात हो जाता, मेरा काम हो जाता. और मैंने शूट भी किया, फ़ोटो भी क्लिक किया, पोस्ट भी किया लिंक्डइन के ऊपर, और वो बिजनेस वाला बिलियनियर माइंडसेट भी लॉन्च किया. आई एम फीलिंग सो गुड. इट जस्ट अब जो भी चीज़ें हैं वो जल्दी जल्दी पूरी हो जाए. आई एम जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर द डे दैट आई एम गोइंग टू बी सो रिच. अब लग रहा है कि काम कर रही हूँ मैं. थैंक यू फॉर द एवरीथिंग यूनिवर्स. थैंक यू सो मच. अभी मैं क्या शेयर करूँ? अच्छा, मैंने स्क्रिप्ट बनाया था ना, मैंने स्क्रिप्ट के हिसाब से शेयर करना है. ओपन करते स्क्रिप्ट. Banana Mindset Daily Speech. Okay, so they uh, this is 14. Today is day 14 of Millionaire Mindset Challenge, and one win or breakthrough I had was I actually connected with Ganesh and Ansh. I got responses from both of them, and I'm so happy. I'm so grateful for that. It feels like I am on my right path. I'm so good. I'm feeling so good. And what I realize about myself is I can be also excited on some things. I can be nervous. I can be confident even more. I don't care who is in front of me. Once I started getting comfortable with them, I can also take first step. I can also do things. It's just I have to make myself to do it. That's what I realized about myself. Today I'm going to focus more on LinkedIn because I have to complete the LinkedIn work, and I'm going to focus on the editing part also, so that I can edit the videos, and also I'm going to make more scripts in a better way so that it can work on more better. And also I'm going to focus on the trends and to shoot that trend videos. So, yeah, and okay, so today's one liner can be get out from the comfort zone, make that first move that you're thinking in your mind, send that message, post that reel, just do it. I'm grateful for everything, but I'm grateful for the message that I have sent to the Ganesh, the response that I had from Ganesh, the reference that I got from Ganesh, the message that I sent to Ansh, the message I got from Ansh. I'm grateful for that, and I'm grateful for my future that I'm going to pursue so good, so ambitious, so amazing. I'm going to earn so much of money. I believe on myself. I believe. I'm so happy. I can't even explain how much I am happy. Thank you for everything. I'm running out of my time, but I have to fix that. एक्चुअली मैं आज बाहर भी चली गई थी, मैं थोड़ा घूमने का वगैरह करने चली गई थी. मैंने सोचा था 15-20 मिनट में आ जाऊँगी, पर मेरे को आधे घंटा लग गया. आधे नहीं, 1 घंटा लग गया. ज़बरदस्ती का मैं टाइम पास करके आई हूँ. टाइम पास तो नहीं कहेंगे, बट ठीक है, कभी कभी चलता है यार. नहीं चलता है, आई नो नहीं चलता है. अब से नहीं होगा, आई प्रॉमिस. दैट्स इट. चलो, लेट्स गो फॉर द 10 challenge future set. Thank you so much for everything. I'm grateful for everything that I have and I'm going to achieve. Thank you so much. I love you. Bye.